Come on, JJ. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. So we're sitting in the restaurant waiting on our table. My friend Daramisi is coming to join us, and she should be here soon.
What's up, baby? She said she wanted this one has the decoration.
It makes your heels and stuff extra soft.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh yeah,
no, baby.
baby.
Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today is Monday, October the 1st, which is the first day of Vlog-Tober. That pretty much means I will be posting a vlog every day for the month of October, and I hope you all enjoy. I just want to start out by saying that today has been nothing short of crazy, okay? Crazy. First of all, I could barely get to work this morning because traffic was more crazy than normal. A truck flipped carrying cows. Cows were running on the highway. Okay. Then when I finally did make it to work, it was drama. And today's Monday. Monday, you already ready to go before you get to work. So I'm headed to get my kids from after school care. And then after that, I'll be going grocery shopping because I have to bring a soup to my job tomorrow. We're doing Soup-Tober. Instead of soup, I chose to make chili. So that's what I'm picking up some items from the grocery store for that. And while I'm cooking my chili, it will be in a crock pot. So that's the only good thing about cooking on a Monday. I'll be able to put my chili in a crock pot and then just, set it and forget it pretty much. But I have been so excited for TV lately. Not even TV, Netflix. Because I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder. Oh my God. I'm like, why didn't nobody tell me How to Get Away with Murder was this good? So it's 4 seasons on Netflix. And the 5th season just came out like on TV, but I haven't even finished the 4 seasons yet. So How to Get Away with Murder is a really, really good show. I did not know it was that good. Viola Davis is a phenomenal actress. I'm like, she deserves any award, every award she has ever been given, because that show, I love that show. So I'm almost caught up. I'm on season 4, I think episode maybe 7 or 8. I'm almost caught up. Comment down below if you watch How to Get Away with Murder.
Hey, to you, oh baby, tell you gonna save me from a sad sugar training pumpkin. I only give the pumpkin the kids. Can we give the pumpkin the kids? Why?
They might be dirty.
We used to give the pumpkin the kids. Well, they might.
We're in Kroger. The first ingredients for my chili is going to be the petite diced potatoes. I don't like to use the big ones or the whole ones. I always get the small petite ones. And then, of course, my bean of choice is going to be the kidney bean.
Get pickles. Get pickles. Get pickles right here.
Hey guys, I'm working on my chili. I'm starting off with my Kerrygold butter in this pan. Ooh. And I have my onions here. I'm going to go ahead and dump those over in here. I went ahead and added some garlic, and I'm just going to go ahead and cook this down, and then I'll be adding my seasonings and my ground beef. Okay, I got my ground beef in here. I got the onions, the garlic, the butter. I cooked a big pack because I'm cooking for 15 people. So I go ahead and add my seasonings first. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. I have a big bag, so I just put it in a shaker. And I'm going to add the pink Himalayan sea salt. Next, I have my black pepper. Then I have my garlic powder. Since this is chili, I'm going to add a little kick with some chili powder. Go ahead and give this a quick stir so all the seasonings can get all blended up. Okay, I turn the heat up just a little bit. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep my crock pot because the meat is the only thing that I'm cooking on the stove. Everything else, I'm just going to dump it into the crock pot. In my crock pot, I have my mixture of ground beef, I have my red kidney beans, and I have my petite diced tomatoes. To that, I will be adding a pack of McCormick's chili seasoning with a cup of hot water just to add some juice back into this chili. This is in my crock pot. I have it on high, and I'm just gonna let it do what it do. Thank you so much for watching today. This brings day 1 of my Vlog-Tober to an end. Now I get to go put my babies in the bathtub and relax and watch some TV. I hope you enjoy this vlog again. Until tomorrow, bye.